Hey, Kevin Ostie here in beautiful Waterloo, Illinois for a teaser for the upcoming 2022 Firebird Fest. Firebird Fest is a 3-day event with cruising, shows, and entertainment centered around the Pontiac Firebird and Trans Am. They're expecting over 200 cars from every generation of Firebird, and they're all rolling into Waterloo on Saturday, May 21st at noon. The event raises money for Kids Rock Cancer, with Buford T. Justice, Jr., and the Bandit all making appearances along the way. Today was a pre-run for about 30 birds, stopping in the Waterloo City Hall parking lot to come check out the town. We grabbed some footage while everyone was at lunch, but we're looking forward to seeing the big show arriving here in May. Learn more at FirebirdFest.com, and I'll see you at Firebird Fest.